Right, in this video, we'll look at how you can configure MIG on a GPU and spatially partition it into multiple GPUs. In this cluster, which is a cluster running Rafay's upstream Kubernetes cluster, if you go look, it's got one node and it's got, let's go look at the labels. Let's go pick the NVIDIA.com. If you look at this, it's an NVIDIA A100 device, and we have it's as you can see here, it's also MIG capable. True, and I basically have asked to slice this into a certain number of partitions. So the way we did that was through our blueprint here. Let's go to a blueprint. So if you notice this, we're applying our GPU operator here, and we're applying an add-on on top. Let's go look at the add-on. The add-on is here. We're basically saying, I want to apply the single strategy for MIG. And what happens here is, because every partition here will be the same size, so the GPU operator will slice this into the max number of partitions supported by the GPU. In the case, if this GPU, it's an A100, so it'll split this into 7 GPUs. So what is done is it's split this into 7 GPUs. So it's reporting as 7 GPUs. And if you go look at this particular thing, you got like GPU 0 to GPU 6, and you go look at this particular GPU, the particular pod that'll be using it. I have a simple application that is requesting for 5. It'll be 5 replicas, and it's going to go on a node with the MIG config all 1G 5GB. And I'm going to kubectl here. If you notice this, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you look at the UUID for the GPU, all of them are identical, but the MIG ID is different. So all of them have the same GPU UUID, but different MIG UUIDs for the applications that are deployed.